The question now is Zn to be positive real number, right? I know that, okay, what would this n be? The n can be any number, any real number. Is basically you want Zn to be a positive real number. Okay, so you want Zn to be positive real number. That's the thing now. So n can be a multitude of candidates, half. I'm just quoting any kind of number here. So 2, 1, 2, 3, so on, 3/10, and so on. So the question now is which number, which when I put n in, will give me a positive real number. Don't worry about it. Like we already discussed, if I want Zn to be positive real, I just need to consider the argument of Zn. That's all I need to consider. I just need to consider the argument Zn, because positive real is here. Is it here? Positive real is here, right? So I just want Zn to be a general term of the argument. So the general term of the argument will be, this is 0. Then I add what? What's the positive real number? I add 2k pi. Agree? 0 plus 2k pi. I just keep wanting to hit this. No matter what I do, I just want to hit this line here. So this case here, I'll get 0 plus 2k pi. So k is actually a k is actually an integer value here. Just put the integer here. Okay. So whatever I do, I just want argument Zn to be 2k pi. And this is exhaustive list. Confirm one. Confirm exhaustive one. I just want it to be like that. Then I know this is logarithm, right? N can bring down, and argument Z equals to 2k pi. This part here, 3/4 pi. 3/4 pi is our argument Z. Okay, great. Okay, so then what I'll do is I'll just put 3/4 pi here. And this is 2k pi. So n is equals to 8/3k. Where k is a real value, integer value. So these are all my positive candidates. I can be very sure, if z equals to z to the power of 3, 8/3, z equals to 16/3, z equals to okay, no need to say 0. 0 is obviously z minus 8/3. All these will confirm give me real positive real value one. Confirm one. No need to say all my n, my possible candidates. Understand? I found my n in this particular general form, so I know that. So the question now is, what is the smallest positive real number n? Okay, so this case here, you put 8/3, 8/3k. You put it in, actually very easy to tell that the smallest positive is 8/3 lah. So hence, smallest n is